Hello everybody, it's Suzanne here. Welcome back to my channel, Face to Face Beauty, where I teach you how to do your makeup. Today we're gonna do it a little different. Well, we're gonna do an IPSY box reveal. I've done one of those in a couple of months, so here we go. This is July 2020. Yeah, still 2020. Anyway, we've got the IPSY box and I can't wait to see what's inside. So, putting on my glasses, grabbing my pink little scissors, and let's break the seal. Okay. It says, whoopsies, discover yourself. Hello, let's discover ourselves. I love these subscription boxes. It's like Christmas every year. All right, it's packing list. Let's grab the first thing that comes to me. And it is Awake, the Glow Pill Super Serum. Oh, I love this. I've never used this before. I can't read. Okay, daily dose of skin vitamins is what it says. All right, what I am, it's a skin hydrating vitamins in a serum. The Awake effect, skin appears more balanced, hydrated, and smooth. Why I'm special, it has a pH balance of a pH of 5.3 and a super blend of vitamin B3 and B5 and antioxidant benefits. Use me AM and PM. And then it goes to French. And you all know I don't speak French, I speak German. So French doesn't help me here. It's probably the same thing, just in French. All right, let's open this puppy up. Let's see what's it look. Ooh, 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 ooh. Looks like this. It has a nice weight to it. It's plastic. Glow pill. It does look like a little pill, doesn't it? All right, whoops. As if it smells like anything yet. No, I need to pump it a couple of times. There we go. Here we go. It looks like it's got some suspended bubbles in it. So I had a pump and a half on here. It really doesn't smell like anything. It's very, very light. One pump, well, maybe 2 pumps for my whole face would be plenty. It's certainly plenty for the back of my hand here. No, it definitely doesn't smell like anything. Leaves a nice little slip, but definitely not heavy, not sticky. It's a nice serum. Okay, great. Can't wait to start using this. All right, let's get rid of the box. Next is, let's see, what's this? This is from IPSY London, Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. What does it say on the box? Let's see, let's see. Okay, Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Instantly refresh and moisturize before makeup application with IPSY London's Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer featuring watermelon extract. Yay! Extract droplets to quench and hydrate. So I guess it's like a moisturizer and a primer in one. I might need a little more than that. I'm more on the dry side, but I can layer. That's no problem. The pink jelly base actively brightens whilst refining pores. Delicately watermelon scented. This unique aqua serum primer grips foundation for long wear with added glow. Like this. All right, let's go look at the tube. Oh, looks like this. And it has some kind of seed looking little bubbles in it. Woo! Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I should have pulled this. There we go. All right, let's There we go. It's definitely a gel. I kind of like this. This is kind of cool. It's very squishy, almost like a rubbery type of a tube. Oh, it does smell divine. All right, so this is the primer that goes on top. A little goes a long way. Oh, it does smell fantastic. Oh, and boy, can you see? I don't know if you can see, my little pores on my hands have just blurred compared to this. I don't know if you can see, but I'm telling you, it did. All right, okay, moving right along. As you can tell, I just love these types of surprises that you get. Okay, C by Tarte. Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. Well, I already have mascara on, so I really can't do a reveal on this. Comes in a tube like this. Hello. And let's open this up. It's a nice standard thinner applicator brush. All right, let's see if there's anything on here. Yes, there is. It says, wave hello to effortless volume. Formulated for eye-opening volume and curl, vitamin E conditions and plant waxes lengthens. Well, I'm gonna need that since I'm not wearing any lash extensions at the moment. Yeah, this could be something I'm really gonna love. I'll let you know. There's algae, vitamin E, mineral pigments, and ophthalmologist tested. Okay, thank you, Tarte. Next, ooh, this is heavy. Ooh, this is heavy, 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 and this is called, it's by Il Maquillage. Il Maquillage means the makeup in French, I think. The little French I do know. All right, let's pull this puppy apart. There is tape right here on the side. It says Shopaholic Color Boss. What else is it? Color Boss, multi-dimensional eye color. All right, an eyeshadow. Just gotta figure out how to open it because it looks like this. So there's tape right here on the corner. That's it. Oh, geez, gotta be smarter than the box Suzanne. Oh, there we go, got it open. Oh, this is amazing packaging. Look how beautiful this is. I have to tell you, it's really heavy in the hand. All right, do I pull it up? Oh, open it like this. Okay, it's a skin tone shimmering Shopaholic. Let's try this baby out and show you right. Oh, look at this. I think this would be a very pretty highlighter as well. Right here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh yeah, be using this. Okay. And last but not least is, oh, a highlighter. Oh, something's pulling. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, come on. Where are the scissors? Here they are. Let's just cut this little thing open, this little bag. It's really taped, well taped and protected for the travel, for shipping. All right, open, yes, open, open, open. It is from IPSY, and it says, IPSY with Nixie, and Nikki Tutorials highlighter glazed donuts. Nikki Tutorials, I am so proud of that girl. Love that. I love that she did a collaboration with IPSY. So let's, ooh, 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 ooh. I thought the eyeshadow was blingy. Darling, look at this. I'm gonna do this right next to it. This is blinding. Put this on this side. Even this out just a little. Okay. All right. Oh, this is beautiful. Definitely be using this as well. Oh, Great. Anything else left in the box? Just the GlamBag bag that you always get with it. Let's see if there's anything in the brochure that that I missed. It says, take a break, airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. We all need that. All right. Whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, get loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Okay, your ultimate beauty staycation. Oh, okay, so it talks about what you can do on a staycation. Do a pedi. Queue up for your favorite show and indulge in a sea salt foot soak to relieve your feet while you pick your next summer pedi color. What else will we do on a staycation? Drink it in. Get glowy from the inside out with a beautiful superfood smoothie. Try coconut water for hydration, pineapples for vitamin C, and kale for antioxidant boost. Number 3, it suggests make some moves. Hit the pavement or dance around the house. Move whatever way makes you feel good. Enjoy those exercise endorphins. Plus, the glow is worth the sweat. My favorite would be dancing around the house. My favorite song to that would be Domino Dancing, Pet Shop Boys, the 8-minute version. Elena, that's for you. Anyway, so number 4, they suggest go deep skin, it says. Fancy a massage? You've got the tools in your hands, literally. Facial massage is a major glow booster. It helps increase the blood flow. Yes, it does. And a depuffer. When you do a massage on yourself, or anybody does a massage, the blood flow increases. More oxygen gets fed to those burgeoning skin cells, and toxins get flushed away. It's just a wonderful thing. So, and number 5 is aloha your hair. Work a scalp scrub into roots to remove buildup and pave the way for healthy hair growth. Top it off with a coconut oil hair mask. You'll deep condition and give a dreamy tropical scent. Fabulous. Great suggestions. What's on the back? Okay, we got that. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. Until next time, this has been Suzanne. Over to you all.